Hey guys, I've got a pair of House of Marley headphones from AO here, which I'm looking forward to checking out because I don't usually wear on-ear headphones and I'm intrigued at the sound quality that they offer. In the box you get some warranty information and instructions, a micro USB cable to charge the headphones, a 3.5mm cable for wide use, and of course the headphones themselves. The quality seems to be very good and durable. The air cups are very padded, so they feel comfortable, which is quite an important factor. I like the design too. The air cups are rocking this wooden look with the House of Marley logo engraved. Nice. The headphones are foldable and the headband is conveniently adjustable. I love how the cable design is consistent throughout. On the right air cup you'll find play, pause, skip and volume controls, as well as the power button if you're going to use the headphones wirelessly. Alternatively, you can choose to go wired. The cable has an inline microphone so you can use the headphones for calls. If you do go wireless then you'll get 10 hours of playback. Charging time is around 3.5 hours, but it's great that you get the choice of going wired or wireless. So first impressions? Well, they're definitely loud, which is great, but there's very little bass. They're also not noise cancelling, which is a bit of a disappointment. These headphones are definitely missing those two things, and if they had them, they'd be perfect. But I love my bass, so these aren't for me.